How to find blocked accounts on Twitter. Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to find blocked accounts on Twitter. Now let's get started. First we need to open our Twitter app. Then we should tap on the profile icon at the top left corner. In appearing menu at the bottom we need to find settings and privacy and tap on it. Then just tap on privacy and safety. Here we need to find mute and block and tap on it. In appearing menu we need to tap on blocked accounts. Here we see the blocked list. If you want to unblock someone, just click blocked near the username. And that's all. It was how to find blocked account on Twitter. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.